Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JAQUISHA Latisse and I am back, you guys, with another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing with UNice, you guys, and yes, it is another wig. So y'all see this one I have on now. I think I got this one like a year or so ago. But before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be notified for the next video. So let's get into it. This is a wig from UNice or UNice, however you guys want to pronounce it. So this wig should be the Jerry curl wig, and it's glueless. So we're gonna get into that. But first, let's go over what's in my box. So I have the edge brush and comb. I have the band to lay your hair down, and I also got a wig cap. 2 wig caps, HD wig caps. Then I have the Bye Bye Knots lace wig, and it is glueless. This is the 18-inch Jerry curl. And I didn't get color this time, although I do like the color. I didn't get it this time. So it comes with the pieces to lay down on the side. And then the elastic band. The elastic band, you can put it on in the back. Here's the wig straight out the box. Ooh, pretty. Pretty curls. So you guys can see. And it's a 7x5. Lace. And so it has the bands. There's one comb at the back. And these are the biggest stick it on the side. Okay. So we're gonna take this one off. So take this one. And y'all, I have a wig cap on. They got the curly ends at the bottom. That's cute. So I have the wig cap on. It has gone back. I have my 2 braids. And y'all, I can probably take my glasses off. I can see. Okay, so let's see how tight this one. Pull the comb in the back. Underneath my braid. I don't need to tighten. It is staying on. Alright, y'all. So pull this up. Boom! You can't really see the lace. I'm up close and personal, but if you want to, I love the part is giving a natural part. But if you want to, you can put some concealer right there to make it look more natural. You can put some powder right here to blend in the lace. But it's staying. I love these curls. And y'all, I gotta bend down. For some reason, it's not giving when I stand up all the way. But yeah, if you want to just put this on and go, girl, this is cute. It's cute. And then the curls for your girl. It's amazing. So this is 18 inch, so it stops like right here, right underneath my neck and right at my shoulder. So if you're that type of girl, then get an 18 inch. If you like it longer, get it that way. But yeah, this is perfect for me. I love this at the shoulder length. And so I just put this on, and then let's choose with your scalp. So usually I like to get the lace in like a medium brown, and then it'll match. That way, but this it's not that long. You can kind of see the lace a little bit, but you would have to like beat up on it. I think when I first started off with UNice, I used to get the Jerry curl bundles all the time. So yeah, I love it. It's giving like your natural curly hair. Like this could be mine. Like this. So not too much on it. So if you want to, you can spray it down, brush it out. I usually like to use a detangling brush, and I'm using when I have curly hair, I spray it in a spray bottle, brush it out with a detangling brush, and most of the time I will use a curling cream. I will also use some mousse to bring those curls back. These curls, and this is jet black. Not the one dude, this is jet black. And it's cute. Hey you guys, so I am back. I don't know if you can kind of see me a little bit how this is going, but this is the next week. So I wanted to come back and show y'all. So I did spray my lace with a tint and medium brown, and I want to show y'all that. So this does have a back clip, and it has a band in the back where you can put them together so it can stay on. So here we go. I'm gonna tighten anything in the back and let it stay. Alright, y'all. So usually what I do is I do my skin color. So the only thing I really do is that spray and then put some mousse. So I usually get the one that curls. You can find that at the beauty supply. Just so you can get a little bit. So yeah, I just do that, put some mousse on it, spray my water bottle, put some mousse on it, mousse on it, and the curl is still curling, still looks like a natural hair. So yeah, so it turned out great, love it. Like I said, this is a week after, and I like how I sprayed the, sorry y'all, still some mousse in my crevices in my hand, but I like how spraying the tint makes it look natural. Yeah. So this is the tint by Evan, and it's medium dark brown. Yeah. So that's the tint I sprayed on the lace. And yeah, y'all, so it looks like your natural scalp. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to come back and jump in on this edit and show y'all a better look of the hair. All right, you guys, so let me know what you think about this hair. Leave it in the comment section down below. You can use my link in the description box to get this wig, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.